10 effective lines on Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. The name Mahatma was given to Gandhi by Rabindranath Tagore, but his real name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's and mother's name were Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai, and his wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. 2nd October is also celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence, as Mahatma Gandhi ji followed the path of non-violence. Gandhiji was an Indian lawyer, studied law from University of London. Gandhiji worked hard for Swaraj. He wants to remove untouchability from the society. He also works to empower women in giving farmers the rights. He launched most effective movements like Non-Cooperation Movement 1920, Dandi Movement 1930, Quit India Movement 1942. Under the leadership of Bapu, finally India got its independence on 15th August 1947. After independence and partition of India, he worked for bringing unity amongst people from all caste and creed. This was not tolerated by few, and on 30th January 1948, Gandhiji's life came to an end and was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. His thoughts and contribution to liberate India from British rule will always be remembered by his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. His most devotional song is Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patit Pavan Sita Ram. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.